Hello, welcome to Livi Toys. Today we're building an older set. This one is Lego Friends. This is Livi's Popstar TV studio. And the reason we're actually building this is because I actually cracked it open to get this piece out with the sticker on it to use in my Too Much Black build. So now that the box has been opened, I thought, well, we might as well build it. I don't know why I never got around to building on the channel before, but better late than never, I say. So we've got two bags, and it's actually really very cool. I actually miss Livi as a character with the Lego Friends. She had some of the best outfits. She had blue and pink hair. And this is the only set that this top comes in. So I don't have this top until now. Now that I've opened this setup, I can now use this top in all my customs, which is cool. Pink hair, which is also very, very cool. I love the little stars on her face, her purple eyes. Livi is lovely. She is just lovely, and I'm glad to have another Livi doll now. Now, let me see what is actually going on with this set. The moment I do know, I was about to say, I don't know what's going on. This is a clapperboard, like the thing that they do for cut or whatever they say at the start. Take one, take two, take three. Oops, she's up to looks like she's up to take 9 for Livi's, I don't know, music video, or I don't know what she's doing at the TV studio yet because we haven't actually built it. But we do have the clapperboard now, so that's going to be handy. I wonder what we have next, because this is still not an actual TV studio. This has got an aerial on it, and this... Oh, okay, so this is the little TV monitor, so we can see what's being recorded. It's not an actual TV. Well, I suppose it is, kind of. It's like a monitor, so you can see what's happening from the video camera. Speaking of the video camera, that's what we're building now on this little dolly. Isn't that a strange word? On the dolly trolley thing, so that you can move the video, the camera in, and you can move it out, further in and out. It's a nice big wind-up key on there. Cool! Alright, so we've got the video camera. It's ready to go. It's like a proper TV camera. Livi's going to have to man this herself because she's the only character that comes in this set. So she's going to have to be multi-talented and do the performing and the video. And we are going to get on with building the TV studio. Now, fun fact for you, or a little tiny bit of trivia, this dark purple base plate, this is the only set that this comes in. So it doesn't come in any other set, which makes it unique to this set, I suppose. We've got a turny thing on the top. I can't even say turny thing, but you know that if we have a turny thing, I have to test out its turniness. So Livi's done that. It's good. Turniness. A thumbs up, like 2 thumbs up. Now we've got some steps heading up. It's currently the steps to nowhere, but there are lights on either side of the steps, so that's good. Lighting on steps is very important so you don't actually fall. But this is cool. Our turny thing is now being extended into a massive turny thing that's half pink and half black. Ooh, this is definitely getting exciting. Now on the black side, pink side, we're on the pink side. The black side we have added some pink, of course, some more lights, and even more lights. So many lights. You need lots of lights in TV studio. These are little stair pieces, and they're actually not being used for stairs here. They're being used for like just decoration. They're adding a great shape to the stage front there. And I have this grey piece left over at the end of this bag. I need to find... Oh, actually that was quite important because that's the smooth part to go underneath the turny thing. All right, we're up to bag number 2 now. We've got bag number 1 perfectly organised, and we're continuing on, obviously, with the TV studio, but I'm just not sure what we're doing with it. So this is the piece, and it went into the 2 black build. It's got printing on both sides, so sticker on both sides. So currently we're just seeing the cool little kind of Art Deco 20s style mirrored one on this side, and then we'll see what's happening on the other side soon, I'm sure. But in the meantime, we've got to put all this stuff on the top. It's making a nice frame, and then smoothing over the top. I don't know what's going on at the top at the moment. We have now got some nice big structures up the side. I'm going to assume that these are to hold either more cameras or some lights, because like I said, you need lots of lights in a TV studio. Okay, so we've got, all right, more structure going over the top, and now, okay, here we go. This is our turny bit. So it spins our stage around. That is awesomely cool, but not as awesomely cool as more lights. Oh, they're pretty. They're like jelly bean colors. Still pretty. All right, okay. And they're smoothed over with these pieces in which are actually holding those other ones together. Got a Livi sign up the top just in case we were confused as to who this TV studio actually belongs to. Was anybody confused? I don't know that I was confused. It's in the title after all. This here is... Oh, they're lights. My goodness. Like I said, more lights. We need lots and lots of lights. And these, they've got a nice big hook on them, so obviously they're going to go up on our tower structures. They're not facing kind of the right way, but that's okay. Okay, so on this side of the stage, Livi has got... Oh, it looks like an awards ceremony set up. So she's got a microphone here where she can go, thank you to all my people for making me here and being what I am today. And this little star that I just dropped is not broken, thankfully, is the award that she's actually accepting. So that's what we're seeing on the screen there. That's what's being recorded right now. Ooh. Okay, we've got another stickered piece here which slides in on the back. So you can use this... It's like you can alternate backdrops. That's very awesome. So I don't know what's happening here on the back yet. We have currently got a smooth pink bit there. We've got two backdrops that we can choose. And we've got some big jets of water. Okay, so this is the side where once she's finished accepting her award, she can put that down again. And now she has to get back to work. She needs to perform for all her fans. And she can choose which backdrop. I really like the white one, I think. I really do like the white one. That's so cool, the way it slides in and out. Okay, let's see what we have got now. What do we have room for still? Oh, okay, so we're going to need speakers, obviously, because Livi's music has to be blasted loud and proud. So, nice big speakers. These go over here. Oh, and the detachable too, because they're on little jumper studs. That's awesome. So we can turn around. She can perform for her fans. Woo! We've actually even got a spare microphone in the set, so she doesn't have to, we don't have to take the one off the awards ceremony side. And we can use the little clapper to do the different takes. This is a gorgeous setup. This is really, really nice. I love the colors. Actually, I love the colors from all of the Pop Stars series. They were lovely. Just love them. Okay, I've knocked over that camera, but it'll still focus fine. It'll be fine. So we've got, there are so many options here. I still can't decide. I just don't really like that. I don't want that black backdrop. I really like the white one. In fact, we can set it up as the awards ceremony with the white background and the water jets, and I think that looks really spectacular. That's better awards ceremony, I think. I think we've adapted that so much nicer than the original, which in fact is the whole point of Lego. You can change it around to be exactly what you want it to be. All right, we have finished with this build, and it's a really cool, and I have to think about different ways to incorporate it into other stuff because I really want to use this one again and again and again. Now, make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave me a comment, let me know, do you miss the Pop Star sets too? I really do miss them. I loved them so much. And well, I'll be back with another video very, very soon. So it's a good idea to keep checking so that you don't miss those videos when they come in. So I'll see you then. Bye.